Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to authenticate our app with JWT, that is JSON word token. Okay, first we have to create a separate directory in which we have to run and create the app. So I'll show you how to create the first package.json file. This is the file directory I'm using. After going into this path, give this command and it will ask some basic questions. You have to click enter. That's it. Just go with the default values for now, and you have to save this data, and you can store it in any file location and save this as package.json. After completing this, the next part is to install Express into your app. So I have already installed Express and everything, so I'll show. So I have done everything in my app, so I will show you how the app will run now. Here you can see I have created the package.json file and also index.js file. I have given every information that is required to create authentication in here. So I've already run the app here. Node index.js. This command will run your app in the local host which you have selected in the local port. So my app will run in 3000 port. So now we can go to the browser, and here you can see it here. So when I give the readme command, it will show you like this. This message is displayed. If I give the URL as secret, it will show you not authorized. So for this, it is showing like this because I have authenticated JWT tokens. So in order to authenticate your app to JWT token, you have to do this. This is the key. Okay, this is the private key I have implemented in the project, and whenever you implement this key in your project, you will get the reply. So this is my JWT. Uh, this is my JWT output. So this will create the authentication to your app, so the non-authorized users cannot access your app. This is the today's tutorial's output. That's it.